Okay, here we are. This is the A473. That direction is down to Talbot Green. Here you can see the entrance, and then that's up to Llanharan. So I'm now going to cross the road and go over this bridge. And the site's down there on the left. Okay, so I'm just going to close this now and put it around my neck so I can see where I'm going. So, as you can see, this is the entrance. It's a footpath going over the railway line. I'm just going to show you the railway line here. This goes up to Bridgend. Now I'm going to measure the width of this later on my way back. But here we have the farm, Hendra Owen Farm. This is the entrance, so I'm going to cross this. No signs saying no entry. No signs saying private, keep out. Here we are. Concrete trackway through an initial gate. Now on the left hand side here is the railway line. So this track runs parallel to the railway line. So I'm going to go along here and see where we are. So the 473 is to my left. You can probably hear the cars. And then we have the railway line parallel to that. And then we have the railway, and we have this concrete path parallel to that. So I'm just going to sweep round. To my right is the hill. That must be the farm. So let's see if we meet anybody. It's quite a grey, drab morning, spitting with rain, typical weather. Now we have this farm over here, and again I can visit them to see what views they have of this, because this is going to be opposite them. Now I think the site of the drilling is going to be where these bales are. These bales of straw. I think that is the site. I'm just going to put my hood over the top of the camera because it's getting a bit damp. Right, excuse the interruption there. So as you can see, this path is quite solid, dry for taking lorries and vans, etc. Nobody around at all. Going slightly down now. A bit of wind. I hope the muffler is taking away the wind noise. Okay, so we've got these bales here. Now the site is before we get to the woods. There's a coppice or a group of trees up here, according to the map. And as you can see, we have the railway line running here, plus the road. Hang on a second. So what do we got here? We got a rubbish tip, and we've got these bales. The farmer obviously stores his bales here. There's a bit of a gully down here. A bit of gully drainage running down to the road and the railway line. So if I can get a better view of that over here. So obviously the water can run down here and down to the railway line. So we've got more bales of hay. Okay, I thought I heard somebody coming, it's not. So we've got all these bales of hay here, right next to the road. That's as far as they appear to go. I'm just going to sweep round and have a look. It's very narrow. It's a very narrow strip. I'd say 30 feet before you get down here, and then it starts to fall away down to the railway line. So it would be a very narrow site. And opposite we've got a field. Let's have a quick look at the field. Obviously we could camp here. This could be a site for the camping. But I believe that this is going to be the site right here. Let's take a little bit of a further walk, because there may be just something past this gate. I'm going to take a look. I don't think so. I think that is the site there. Again, to my left, it's very narrow strip before the land falls away. We've got a gates here. Now I think we're into the wooded area now. There's some work going on here. Whether this has collapsed, looks like a collapse to me. You can see the railway line just down here. We've got water coming down here. Obviously that's caused the collapse on the other side of the road. No parking. Something progress. I think we're now into the wooded area now. You can see there's a gully running alongside here. So I'm going to walk up to the end there. Once I've come through these trees, and then head back. So to me that site is very narrow indeed, very narrow. I'm going to measure, I've got a tape measure with me. I'm going to measure the depth of that length, that depth of that piece of land. I can hear an engine running or something running. Ah, right, what's this? Water. Let's take a look at this. Wales West, substance on site, CCTV cameras. Permit required for access, Wales and the West, utilities. Okay, let's take a look at this, shall we? Nobody around. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's definitely some sort of motor or something. Satellite dish. You probably can't see it, but there's heat coming out of those three chimneys. You can see the vapours and the heat's coming from there. Okay, let's walk a little bit further. Okay, can't see much down there. That's as far as I'm going to go. I'm going to switch off now, and I'm going to switch back on when I get back to where we think the site is.